Welcome back to the channel. Today is gonna be a very quick, easy video. This is a lemon almond amaretto pound cake. I will list all the ingredients below, from what went into the cake for what I use for the syrup that I pour on the cake. Stay tuned and let's get into this recipe. We're gonna cream the butter and the sugar. And then after we do that, then we're gonna add our eggs, and then the rest of the ingredients you will see in the video how I incorporate the ingredients. And the eggs I got from Trader Joe's, cage-free eggs. Love these eggs, nice color, nice and orange. I'm just saying, if you get a chance, go to Trader Joe's and get those eggs. Now let's get back to the recipe. And I usually scrape down the bowl after I mix the eggs with the butter and the sugar before I start putting in the rest of my other ingredients. And the key to a good cake that is not going to be a dry cake is also do not overmix after you put your flour and your other ingredients in. Because if you overmix, you get a very tough cake. Okay? And they will talk about you. They will talk about you. And now I'm adding my flour and sour cream and buttermilk mixture in the cake. And this liquid that you see me adding, that's the Amaretto liqueur that I'm also adding in the cake. I took it off the mixer and now I'm mixing with my hand because I don't like the cake. I could control how much I'm mixing because I don't want a dry cake. I thought I added the clip where I put the toasted almond nuts in the batter. However, YouTube Live, don't know where that clip went. But after I put it in, then I put it into the oven at 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes in a bundt pan. And this is the cake out of the oven. I allowed it to cool before I took it out the pan, because if you don't, it's gonna be a mess. And I made some syrup to drizzle on top of this cake, because ain't nobody want no basic pound cake around here, okay? We don't do basic. You know I'm extra, so we're gonna go an extra mile and get that syrup, which is made of lemon juice, amaretto, powdered sugar. Put it on the stove top, mix it till it get nice and thick, and then it is so tasty. Not too sweet, because you know I don't like a lot of stuff that's really sweet. So just the right taste. If you want to omit this syrup, you could go ahead, but don't do it, okay? Don't come this far and leave this off, all right? That's like you getting dressed up and everything looking all nice, and then you just got some Vaseline on your lip. That ain't right, okay? Give this pound cake the dressing that it deserves, this syrup. And this was made with almond flour, this cake, but if you want to omit it and just use all cake flour, you could also do so. Gonna leave the ingredients below for the syrup as well as all the ingredients for the cake. And we cut it. I cut it so I could show you what it looked like in the inside, how it's nice and moist. It's not dry. It ain't gonna choke you. They're not gonna talk about you. So when you get a chance, please make this recipe, and when you do, tag me at Dream Delights on Instagram or leave a comment in the description bar below and let me know how it worked out for you. If you put a different type of nuts in there, if you left out the nuts, if you change up the flavor a little bit, made it orange instead of lemon, it's your cake. Do what you want to do. And until the next video, please keep safe. Corona is still out here. And God bless.